Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty, the Crappy Crafter. Today we are going to do a little sewing, a little kids sewing kit. I think it says 6+, and I got this off the Vine. I'm a little disappointed with myself because I meant to, I meant to choose a different one off the listing. There were 3. There's the strawberry, which when I went back to the listing and looked at it, it says the strawberry one is the most complicated, so obviously life wants me to do the most complicated one. I guess that's fine. Anyways, so there was also a pineapple, which is the one that I actually wanted to do, and the listing said that that one was the easiest one. Sorry, I'm being distracted. I can hear a wasp over there in my cabinet somewhere. I hate wasps. They terrify me. Anyways, so, and the third one was a avocado, and the avocado was like the medium difficulty. So this one is the hardest. The pineapple was the easiest. The pineapple was the one that I wanted though, because it looked like it was just a little cylinder bag, where this one looks like a little Jesus! Oh. Oh goodness, that's not a wasp. Oh, that's a big fat bee. Oh, okay. Oh, that scared the hell out of me. Oh, if only you could see it. Oh, here, let me get my phone. Maybe I can take a video. Woo! Okay, here's the actual video because I managed to not actually hit record before, while I was... Jesus, he's huge. She's huge. Oh my goodness. I don't know where it went. Can you see it? I can't see it. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I don't like it. Oh. Okay, so where did I leave off? Right, there's 3 of these kits in the listing, and this one is the most difficult. The avocado is the second least most difficult, it's the medium one, and then the pineapple, the one that I wanted, was the one that was the easiest, which I didn't realize when I was making the order. I found that out afterwards, after I was looking at when will it be delivered, and it showed the red, and I was like, no, I wanted the yellow. Oh crap. Oh well. But yeah, so the bee is still in here somewhere. I don't know where it is though, but we'll see what happens. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's get right into the box and see what is in the box. I kind of like the packaging. It could have been a little smaller, but we're not here to talk about the packaging. We're not that kind of people. Not really. Kind of. Sometimes. Anyways, 3 pieces of felt. I was surprised. And some fiberfill. And some embroidery floss, and a big long green shoelace, and the fiberfill really surprised me. I wasn't expecting this to be a puffy, fluffy thing. Look, it shows 2 kinds of stitches, but it doesn't tell you where to use them. So I didn't use either one of them. I just went round and round and round and round, because you can see in the pictures, that's all they do. They just do a round and round and round and round and round. They don't do the running or the whatever else it was. I don't even know. I don't know my stitches. I don't sew. But yeah, so we'll start. I'm going to knock all those little holes out, and then we'll start with the seeds. Now, I filmed it the same way as I always do. I edited this a little bit differently. Can't speak today, it's all good. But yeah, I'll show you how I do the first seed. And we'll tie it up real good. And then I'll show you how I did the last seed, and we'll tie it up real good. This way, hopefully, I won't make people sick with my hands moving at like 50 times speed, like literally 50 times speed. All right, next we're gonna put the green stuff on the leaf and the stem. Yes, leaf and stem. Ugh. Words aren't working for me. They never have, but they're doing particularly bad today. This is just a straight in and out, roundabout, you know. Like I said, I don't know my stitches, so I'm sure it has a name. I don't know what it is. Button stitch, maybe? I don't know. Is that a thing? I don't know. Figure out where it goes, and then place it, and then sew it. I show you how to do this one, and then I will do that 2 more times, but I'm not going to show you all of them because it's just, yeah, I think this is working out pretty well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments how you think this editing job is doing. Okay, so this side requires a second layer because this is going to be the puffy fluffy side. So the 3 pieces of felt do have different holes in them. All 3 of them have a different set of holes. When that's fine. The front piece has holes all the way around for stitching, and it has holes through the body of it for the seeds, and it has holes pre-punched for the greenery. This piece that I'm sewing on only has holes like 5/6 of the way around. No, I lie. This one is all the way around as well because it has to hold the puffy fluffy in. After we fluff the puffy fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy, fluff, fluff, the fluff, 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 fluff. And if you don't like the way I talk, you don't have to watch. Or you can put me on mute. I don't care. I promise I won't say the S word again, though. A lot of people really got mad at me for saying the SNOT word. We won't do that again. We'll say puffy fluffy fluff, 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 fluff instead. Puffy fluff, 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 fluff. Tie it up real good. And then we'll move on to another piece. You know, after I hide the threads, I'm hiding the threads inside of it. I'll pull it through, and then I'll pull it tight, and I'll snip it, and then you won't be able to see the threads. Won't be able to get to the threads if you need to. That's okay. So now we're going to put the side panel on. It's the big long panel. Of course, after we put on the button. Is there such a thing as a button stitch? I feel like there is. Anyway, tie it up and get the red thread back out. Now, this only goes around part of the way. It doesn't go all the way around. There will be another piece to act as the top, as it were. I mean, it kind of works. It's cute. It is cute. I would definitely use this bag if I had any reason to use this bag. Although I am type 1 diabetic and I'm on a pump, so I do have pump supplies that I carry around with me. This could do that, you know, it could. But the pump that I have now is almost basically automatic all the time, self-sufficient, so I don't really need to check myself as much anymore, so I don't need all my pump supplies anymore, which is yay. So I don't really need a bag anymore. That's okay though. I still like it. And of course I have my everyday carry backpack. It's huge. It carries all of, I have so many art supplies in it. I take my art supplies everywhere. My watercolors, I take my watercolors everywhere. But that's neither here nor there. We're here for this, and I am going on a tangent, and I'm sorry. So what I'm doing here, because I never know how to finish these off, because I don't sew, is I split the thread. I split it into 3 threads a piece, and then I tied them together. The floss. That's the word I was looking for, floss. Oh, words aren't working for me well today. That's okay. Now, this great big green shoelace, we'll go tie a good knot, and then we'll thread it through the teeny tiny hole. And then we'll thread it through the teeny tiny hole. And then we'll make a good knot. And it's basically done. I think it is done. I think this was pretty much it. Make a little space for the button because the button does not want to go through that with all of that there. But yeah, check it out. It's my strawberry purse. Ugh, purse. I hate the word purse. No, it's my strawberry baggie. It's cute. I really like it. I appreciate it. Well, that came out really cute. It's a very hard felt, you know, it's a very cheap felt, but that's okay because look at how cute this is. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. It's super cute. And it's got a little button. And it's got a little pouch, you know, well, it's got kind of a pouch. But it's super cute. And I really like it. I'm not a big fan of the instructions. There were a couple points in the instructions where I was like, is that the wording you really want to use? Okay. But it's here. It's done. It's super cute. I think it's totally workable for children 6 and over. I highly recommend it. Do it as an adult. It took me, I don't know how long it took me. I'll put the footage here. That's how long it took me. And contending with that big giant bumble. Here's a video of me letting it go.
Is it going?
Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Just a little further. Woo. Woo. Bye-bye. And that was pretty cool. It was huge. 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 I just, huge. I'm so happy that it's out there somewhere now. Anyways, so this is super cute. I'll leave a link for it down in the description. Like I said, this was the hardest one of the 3 that were on the listing. The pineapple was the easiest, which is the one that I was going to get. So I guess I'm happy I have this one because, you know, we want to do the hard stuff here, right? Hard stuff? Whatever. Anyways, so thank you so much for joining me, and until next week, stay safe.